Hi guys, my friend 3D printed these steering arms for me, so we'll find out if they actually fit. Now the truth is I probably don't need them, because after designing them and asking for them I found that a bit of hot glue around the broken one has fixed it anyway and it works fine. So this is the original, and it is broken just here. I'll just move that light a bit. That's a bit better. Yeah, I don't know if it's visible, but it is broken, split just there. So I've designed this one. Might need to open that hole out just a little bit, but we'll just see if we can actually get it on there. Yeah, looks like I've made those holes just a bit tight. I'll go and open them up a little bit with a file. Right, I've opened them up a little bit. That's a bit better. It's supposed to be a good loose fit. Sorry, you can't see this, my fingers are in the way. Right, switch it on. I've no idea how strong that will be compared to the original. To be honest, I would expect it to be a little bit weaker, just because of the construction method, because it's built up of layers rather than a solid bit of casting. But that certainly seems to work. So thanks again, buddy. Excellent job. As I say, that hot glue fix has worked fine anyway. But that's nice. It's even a matching green for the rest of the car. Oh yeah, last time I took it out to test this, it looks like the front motor's died again. I'm not sure if it's the motor's died or whether the gear's slipping. Because you can see it does turn, but when there's pressure on it, so we're going to have to take it apart again anyway. So check out the motor. See if it's just the gear slipping or whether it's actually the motor needs new brushes. That'll do for now though. Bit of 3D printing by a friend. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.